Yo, I made a new Instagram account for recording my vlog. Honestly, so far, I've been uploading my vlog on YouTube, but there is limit to communicate with my viewers because I want to communicate with my viewers. So maybe Instagram is more useful for my purpose. So yeah, I made a new account. My name is Hyun. I'm from South Korea and I'm in Spain, Jaén, as exchange student now. And in this account, I'll always use English. Not only Instagram, my ordinary daily life, I try to use, not tried, I use only English. I think in English and I speak in English. My goal is I can speak fluently all of my thoughts in English. Yeah, so guys, whoever watched this video, please comment my video, and if you want, we can communicate in English and watch it. How much I will get better at English. See ya. See you tomorrow.